Dear students, Namaste. Let us discuss new online practical oriented topic for the diploma second year student subject pharmacology and toxicology. This is experiment number 20. What is the title of experiment number 20? To observe the and study the effect of convulsions and anticonvulsions in mice by using CD of MSBT which is provided by the exam authority. So what is the title? We are checking here the convulsion and anticonvulsant effect. Animal use is mice, and after administration of the convulsants and anticonvulsant drugs, what is the effect or changes occurring in the mice? We will discuss in this experiment. Myself, Mr. Vijit Ankush Kasare, working as a lecturer in Kesharis Krishna College of Pharmacy, Karad. So what is epilepsy first? It is a group of disorder of CNS which is characterized by paroxysmal cerebral dysarrhythmia. And due to this reason, there is a brief episodes or the loss or the disturbance in the consciousness with or without characteristics body movements. Means what? There is a normal activity of neuron is changes or it may be dysrhythmic functions. And due to this reason, there is a limb movements of the body is changes. So what are the different types of the epilepsies? Number one is generalized epilepsy and second one is the partial epilepsy. Generalized epilepsy is again divided into different types, where the partial epilepsy is divided into simple and complex seizures. So for this epilepsy is also called as the convulsions. And we are using for the treatment of this convulsion drugs are anticonvulsants or anti-epileptic drugs. So what is the definition of anticonvulsants or anti-epileptic drugs? Are used in the treatment of convulsions. Then what are the different phases we are observed in the patient or in the animal after administration of some convulsion drugs? Tonic-clonic strubs and flexion. So what is the meaning of strub tail? It's showing the erectile tails or the changes the shape like S-shaped in tail. So what is the mechanism of action of diazepam? Generally, it acts as a agonist of GABA receptor that potentiates or increases the action of GABA, and that GABA shows the inhibitory action in the CNS. So this is the detail about the theory of this experiment. Now let us discuss the CD which is provided by the MSBT. बघूयात. So this is the aim of the experiment number 20. As per the CD MSBT provided by the MSBT, the effect of convulsions and anticonvulsants in mice. What are the objectives of the today's experiment, that is the experiment number 20? Students should be able to understand the terms epilepsy, convulsions. They classify the different types of the epilepsies or the seizures. What do you mean by the EEG? Then what are the changes occurring during the epileptic seizures? And what do you mean by anticonvulsants? And what are the drugs or treatment of the epilepsy? So these are the different objectives of the experiment number 20. Now these are the requirements. We are using the animal is albino mice. These are the requirements for the experimental purpose. We are using the syringe and needle for the injection, then cotton and the weighing balance for the weighing purpose of the animals. These are the two drugs. One is the convulsion inducer, another one is the anticonvulsant. Remember always strychnine sulfate are used for the production or induction of the convulsion, and diazepam are act as an anticonvulsants. You pause this video and write in your notebook or your manual. So what is the epilepsy? We already discussed the definition of epilepsy in manual. So these are the three different bodies. It's showing the physiological changes occurring in the male or in the body due to tonic-clonic extensions or tonic-clonic changes in the seizures. It occurs due to the changes in the neurons activities. There are the different type of neurons. Number one is the motor neuron, second one is the sensory neuron, and number third is the mixed neurons. And that changes occurring in that neurons showing the epilepsy. Now there are the two types of the epilepsies. First one is the generalized and second one is the partial. इन एक्झाम म्हणजे एक्झाम जी असते कॉम्प्युटराइज्ड त्यामध्ये हे दोन्ही इमेजेस दाखवले जातात आणि तुम्हाला विचारतील व्हॉट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ दिस एपिलेप्सी. जनरलाइज एपिलेप्सी, पार्शियल. जनरलाइज कसं आयडेंटिफाय करायचं तर ब्रेन मध्ये सगळ्या ठिकाणी जर एपिलेप्सीचे सीझर दिसत असतील होल ब्रेन तर आपण म्हणतो जनरलाइज्ड एपिलेप्सी. पार्शियल कुठंतरी ब्रेनच्या छोट्याशा एका पार्ट मध्ये. Now we are moving to the next part, that is the theory. We are also induce the convulsions by using electric shock. But in this experiment, we are using the chemicals like strychnine. मग ज्या वेळेला इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक दिला जातो त्यावेळेला ग्रँड मल इपिलेप्सी होते आणि केमिकल दिलं जातं त्यावेळेला पेटिट मल इपिलेप्सी होते. So because of this reason, after administration of diazepam drug, it was showing the decrease the activity of particular example. Now tell me what is the action of the GABA after administration of diazepam. Remember always diazepam is anti-convulsant drugs. Okay, so let us discuss the procedure of this experiment. Here is this some video and the procedure is we are using some animals, healthy mice we are selected, and then after that we are administered the before administration of the experimental drugs we just check their observations whether that is the showing any epileptic seizures, and then after we are administering different doses like strychnine and diazepam. So we are holding the animal and administer the dose of strychnine sulfate for animal number 1 as per our procedure. And then after administration, we are observing the effect of the animal and look at this picture. The head movements are jerky and the tail indicates yes shapes. So that are the characteristics of the convulsions. So now we are again administer the another dose. See, look at the jerky movements of the head and the strub tail. So now after that we are administer another dose of the experimental diazepam, and then we just check the different actions after administration of drug. It was showing the convulsions are reduced or jerky movements are reduced. So that's why we called here the diazepam is useful in the different forms of the epileptic seizures and also used as a drug of choice for the status epilepticus. Means the diazepam is used as a anti-convulsant drugs. So this is the procedure. Now how to complete the observation table? So the observation table which is completed in you should write this all in your manual by pausing the video. So here we are administered the first drug of strychnine, and that strychnine after administration the convulsion induces in second, that is the 50, and these are the different convulsions natures occurring and what are the date and recovery. So remember always, in animal number 2 we are using diazepam with strychnine, and that's why the onset of action is increased and the nature of convulsions is decreases. If we compare the animal number 1 and 2, there's a characteristic changes occurs. If we see the strychnine showing strub tail, jerky movements, clonic convulsions, but whereas diazepam and strychnine induces no strub tails, no jerky movements or the minor body movements. But what happened in last column, date and recovery? If we increase the dose of the strychnine, the animal may be dead or dead in after 3 minutes. But after using the diazepam and cysteine, no death in animal, the animal is protected from the convulsions. So this is the detail about the observation table. Now how to complete the observation table in manual, बघूया. So this is the observation table of experiment number 20. I think page number is 118. So we are using for animal number 1 is cysteine sulfate. There are the 3 different columns जे की तुम्हाला complete करायचे आहेत, लिहायचे आहेत. Onset of time you should write for cysteine is 50 and for diazepam and cysteine you should write for 80 seconds. Characteristics, we are writing the characteristics by procedure point number 3. These are the 3 points: strep tail, jerky movements, severity of convulsions. हे लिहू शकता तुम्ही characteristics. आणि रिकव्हरी मध्ये आपण जसं डिस्कस केलेलं होतं प्रिव्हियस व्हिडिओज मध्ये, प्रिव्हियस स्लाइड मध्ये, ते तुम्ही रिकव्हरी मध्ये लिहू शकता. सो आफ्टर कन्क्लुजन्स ऑफ दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट, आफ्टर ऑब्झर्वेशन टेबल, व्हॉट इज द कन्क्लुजन? द कन्क्लुजन इंडिकेट्स द cysteine सल्फेट प्रोड्युसेस, म्हणजे cysteine हे कन्व्हल्जन्स प्रोड्यूस करतात. सो दॅट्स वाय वी आर रायटिंग हिअर कन्व्हल्जन्स. आणि डायझेपाम्स हे अँटी कन्व्हल्जन्स म्हणून यूज करतात. सो यू शुड राईट फर्स्ट तिथं जिथं तुम्ही लिहिणार आहात कन्व्हल्जंट, आणि सेकंड तुम्ही लिहायचं आहे अँटी कन्व्हल्जंट. So I hope you understand very well. So thank you so much for the patience listening. Thank you.